How to add black screen in CapCut. There are two most popular ways from which you can add black screen to your CapCut edits. Firstly, open CapCut app on your device. Once you are inside CapCut, you can select your existing projects or create a new one. Import your video and go to the timeline. With your video selected, split it. Now again, make sure that your video is selected and select overlay at the bottom panel. Now click and hold on the clip and swipe it far away. This will create a black screen in between. It gets the work done, but it's not very useful. If you want to add new clips to the timeline, then it will just collapse. Let me show you another way from which this problem won't occur. I'm just gonna undo all the steps that I've done so far. With your video still selected, swipe on the bottom panel. Now go to the end and click on the freeze option. This will create another clip in which a photo will appear, which is just a freezing frame of the video. Now you can just drag the photo around and remove it from the screen. This will create a black screen in between. Now if you want to add more videos, then this won't collapse. You can also increase its time if you want. That's all for today. Thank you.